Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to The Everyday Girl. How you doing? I have a super fun video planned for today because today I am reviewing Lipsense. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. When I was growing up, the only makeup you could buy from your next door neighbor was Avon and Mary Kay. Nowadays, there are so many direct sales companies help families thrive, and I think supporting small business is so important.
So important.
This company's claim to fame is that their lipstick
Will not move.
basically is life proof. So first, I'm going to try on the different colors and do a transfer test with a glass, an eating test, and a kiss test. I want to give these a fair shot, so I'm going to be doing 2 layers of each lipstick. I'm even going to put on one of my MAC lips for comparison, like the one you see here. We have 7 freaking shades, courtesy of Amber from Senegence, the brand behind Lipsense. I can't wait to try on these lipsticks! So this is a MAC lipstick, the one you see me wearing right here, in the shade Hot Tahiti.
Love, love, love this color.
As much as I love this beautiful thing, it transfers. Just for reference, we are going to do a test with this.
Seriously? Seriously? Really?
First up, we have the color Plum. Now, I will let you guys know right now that I have naturally very pigmented lips. I love my natural lip color. However, life hack alert, if you want a color to be absolutely true to the bottle, true to form, the best thing you can do is either A, put foundation on your lips before applying the lipstick, or B, put white eyeliner on your lips before applying the lipstick. I seriously love this packaging. It's so cute. I like that it's plastic because I'm a total klutz. But let's see how it wears. Plum. 2 things I can already tell I don't like about this formula is 1, it feels very sticky when it's drying. My lips are sticking together. Look at this. I will say though, if you click your lips together a few times, it stops. Another thing, when you apply it, it has kind of a tingly sensation. Some people seem to like that in their lip products, but let's talk about the color. Very pretty violet. I'm really glad I went in with a second layer because I felt like I got a more
Even application, and the pigment was so much better.
I feel like this is kind of flirty. You gotta be fearless to wear this one. Nothing on our mug.
Yay!
Oh my god, do you guys see this? There is so much blood flow to my lips right now from removing these products. I seriously look like I have my own shade. I'm gonna come out with my own lipstick and call it blood flow. Oh my god, that just made me think of a period. No. So this shade is named Lexi Beary. Such a cute name. Like, seriously? This has to be someone's childhood friend's nickname or something. I think I like this shade of purple more than the Plum. Definitely a good choice. A small bit of transfer. Again, I'm noticing a small bit of transfer on this. This lipstick is called Cake Face. No, but seriously, so now we have Fly Girl.
I love this name.
It's basically like a compliment in a bottle. Thank you. Yes, girl, I am fly. I feel like this is a classic red lip. It definitely has some orange undertones, but not in like a overbearing kind of way, if that makes sense at all. I feel like a grown woman wearing this. I mean, I am a grown woman, but I feel like a grown woman wearing this. Like, the moment you put this on, you know whatever woman is wearing this lipstick has her life together. No transfer. So we had a little bit more transfer than the last one, but still not bad and nothing compared to our MAC lip. Please pray for me while I attempt to remove this because it's pretty much cemented on my face. This is Praline Rose. I feel like it would be the name of Katniss Everdeen's sister if she had a second sister. Praline Rose and Primrose. If you don't know who Katniss Everdeen is, watch Hunger Games, thank me later. I feel like it looks like a much softer version of Bella. This is a very subtle nude, and if I wanted my lips to look larger naturally, I would definitely pair this with a nude lip liner. No transfer. No transfer. 2 for 2. So we had a little bit of transfer here. I will say though, I feel like these liquid lips stay sticky for a little while, so I would definitely suggest trying to let them dry all the way. This next shade is Purple Rain. Clearly the creator is a fan of Prince's music. I was actually watching a Facebook Live a few weeks ago from this guy that does amazing makeup. I think his page name is Alexander Z Empire or something like that. Anyways, love him. If you're under the age of 18, do not check him out. Otherwise, grab your tea, grab your wine, go have some. Somebody told him that one of his makeup looks that he looked like Prince. And he was like, I don't know who that is. I get it, I think he's like 18 or 19. But the fact that someone might not know who Prince is like so bizarre to me. So if you don't know Prince, go listen to his music. You're welcome. Speaking of Prince, I feel like this lip color is very like 80s, 90s pop music video. Like the woman wearing this is definitely not afraid to be seen. She's probably super trendy and has like an awesome Instagram page. I'm normally not super into these very pinky colors, but I feel like with the outfit it kind of works. So I see one small spot of transfer right here, but that's nitpicking. Okay. No, we're good. No transfer. So we had transfer again. This is still sticky. So if you let this dry all the way, I'm pretty sure you're not going to get transfer. Look at how pretty that looks with the lip gloss. I'm kind of feeling it. Like if I had big stunner shades right now, I should definitely be sipping a Mai Tai somewhere. This last color is Blu Red, and I combined it with the matte gloss. Oh my god. I literally feel like a pinup girl. This is so gorgeous. Like, look at how vibrant. No transfer. Thank you. No transfer. No transfer. Ah. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The Oops Remover. Oh my god. I was using this to remove every color of lips in between application, and seriously, this left my lips feeling so soft, and it made the removal so much easier. If nothing else, I feel like this is going to be my go-to for removing my lipsticks now because this formula is amazing. If you like any of these colors, you can purchase them in the link in my description box. I don't receive any commission or any perks. Whether or not you purchase, it doesn't matter. I don't sell this item. I have no plans of selling this item. Direct sales is just not for me, but I have a ton of respect for the hustle. That being said, the girl that I bought these from was super quick about sending me my products. Not only that, but she was like crazy nice, and I feel like she actually cares about her customers and doesn't just see them as a payday. So that's huge for me, and that's why her link is in this description. Hopefully you liked something here. I know I definitely did. But either way, we've got a ton of videos planned. There's so much planned. You gotta stay tuned. Videos will be posted Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we have an exciting giveaway. Once we hit 500 subscribers. All you have to do to be entered in a giveaway is make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Every additional comment and share to a video is an additional entry for you. This channel is designed to be beginner friendly, so feel free to comment any questions you might have. I promise I reply to every single comment I get. It's important to me to interact with my viewers, so don't be shy. Tell me what you love, tell me what you want to see more of. If something made you laugh, let me know. If you didn't like something, go ahead. Your salty tears are seasoning my chips, baby. So good. So as always, you know what to do.
Be sure to like, be sure to share, be sure to subscribe.
See you guys again real soon. Love ya. Bye.